This Trader Joe's recipe should be the next one to go viral. Their chicken tortilla soup. It is a recipe from their website with one change. Let's go over the ingredients. 1 container of their organic chicken broth into a pot. A jar of their salsa authentica, the entire jar in. 1 can of their corn, drained. 1 can of their organic black beans, drained and rinsed. Here's the change. They use canned chicken in the recipe. We're using this pulled chicken. It's in the refrigerator section. This stuff is life-changing. It is vacuum sealed. There is a ton of delicious chicken meat. So good. Just break up that meat a little bit. Bring it to a boil. Let's get that all broken up. Okay, there we go. Bring it to a boil. Simmer it for about 15 minutes, and you have an absolutely delicious, easy, hearty, warm meal. You're going to really love this. Let me know what you think. I hope you love it as much as I do. I really am enjoying this one, especially the leftovers.